How to see your blocked account and person on your Snapchat account. Hi guys, today I will show you how to find this. Just watch the video until the end and make sure that you subscribe and like the video. So let's start. You go first and you open Snap. Then when your Snap is opening, we'll go here on your profile icon and click. Then you will go to settings here and click again, and then you will just go down to blocked, and here you will find your blocked account, the person that you blocked before. For me, I didn't block someone before here on Snapchat, so that's why I didn't find anyone here. That's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you next video.